Okay, well, I realized I was missing more than my thread dial, which I found. Missing, I was missing this box, Lathe 2. And there's my four-way tool post, extra gears, extra shafts, potentiometers, lots of assorted nuts and bolts, a compound. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a try. It says I have no battery. Okay, I found the holder I need. I think this is also maybe a different size threading tool. This is for a deeper thread. This is a smaller cutter than this is a larger cutter. But that's where I want the cutter at, on the leading edge. If I look at this kind of head at me like this, the cutter's on the right. That makes it a left-handed tool. So if you're looking straight on at the cutter and it's on the right, that makes it a left-handed tool. If it's on the left, it's a right-handed tool. I don't know why. So there's my 0. Gonna get my dial indicator set up. Over here, let's get the tool set up because I only have so much travel. So we're going to pick the travel up here. Okay, 0 that. Bang everybody around a little bit and see where it lands, where it settles. Okay, so let's try to get some consistent starts on my thread dial. So I'm going to remove my chalk. And I'm going to come back and mark it with something a little more accurate. Maybe I'll try this chalk again. Okay. That's pretty good. It's awful wide though. Let's see if I have a silver marker. Well, unbeknownst to me, I'm a little short of 5/8. We're going to try it anyway. And we got this little matter of this little thing we got to watch out for. So there's a couple of issues here I'm having right off the bat that are going to prevent me. Now, if I use the so-called left-handed tool, I'll be able to do this. But that'll be a left-handed thread if I feed that direction. So how am I going to get around this? I need to make a cutting tool that's going to get me around this. So let's just theoretically say I had this tool and see where it would take me. Okay, I need to get rid of some of this material So I need to grind away. Grind away. I tell you what, I bought a bunch of cloth towels, terry cloth towels, and it was always my rule in the beginning to not have any cloth in here on this lathe. So buying all them towels, inevitably, they end up out here by the lathe. They're collecting chips. They're a hazard. I need to grind this off. Not the total amount there, but I need to grind away most of that. Half of that, what I got marked. So I got to get these cloth towels out of here and make sure I have plenty of paper towels out here. Because this cloth is bad news. Let me look through my high-speed steel, see if I have a piece that I'm not going to have to grind on. Yeah, I got a good first start there. Let me see if I can unplug you. Keep you in the game. Get a little closer. As long as so well, it's really not cutting. You know what? I'm cutting the wrong pitch. I'm cutting 13. I need to have 16. Duh. Okay, I guess we're still recording. Look at that down there. That is perfectly flush down there. I don't know how I can demonstrate the fact that there's no slop there. That's one of the best threads I've ever cut. And that is the exact, that was 50 thousandths deep. Man, I am psyched. So all I need to do is put that thread on this rod. This will feed up in there. God, that's satisfying. Where's my threads at? Yeah, we just need to put those threads on this piece of steel. Let's just finally see what works best. The dark or the light. I think any solid I would say the white works best. Okay, through say many trial and error, I think I've got it now. I've got the right thread pitch dialed in. I got the right cutting tool. I am now cutting the number of teeth that I desire. The pitch is 16, and that seems to be right on. According to the chart, I can start on any number 1 through 8. I'm going to just start on 1. I don't trust that 1 through 8 bullshit. Oh shit, I'm sorry. It's a family channel. Yeah, I think we have it now. 5 8's 16. The gears changed a little bit. Let me show you that. Now I used to think if it was only 3 gears is that you use the 3 gears and then filled in anything to make it all connect, but that doesn't necessarily work. So I got where's the numbers at? 40, 65, skip, and then 40. So there's 40, 65, skip, and then what was this one? 40. So what I had to do, this one's just riding along for the ride. I took this spacer from the other side and put it here on the outside so that my 40 tooth would engage with the 65. And then there's another 40 up there. So like I said, this one's just riding along for the ride, taking up space. It is not engaged at all. It's only the 3 gears the chart called for. When I first set this up, I set this up with the spacer on the inside, and I changed the pitch because I was using this little filler gear. Now imagine I could have put that filler gear on the inside and put that on the outside. No, I think we're better off right now. I seem to have favorable results here. Let me see if I can light this screen up without turning the camera off. Okay, we're lit up, we're still recording. There is the target. And I have my dial set at 10 thousandths. And it's all coming back to me. You go as slow or as fast as you want. When I was first threading, it was just a nervous wreck because, you know, the thing was spinning so fast. Well, you just slow everything down. Okay. So I'm going to go all the way to 20. Start on 1. I need to grow a set and start on 2. Go all the way to 30. I think when I get to 75, I'll be done. Okay, that was 30. I'm going to do a spring pass on 30. I may do another spring pass on 30 with oil. Now we'll go to 35. Okay, here comes my number 1. Okay. We'll go to 40 this time. What we're doing is we're testing this to see if I got the right thread for my clutch cup. Was that 45? Let's go to 50. I might go with that right there. Let's do another 50. I like that right there. I'm not going to cut any further. Spring pass. Yeah, that's a beautiful thread, man. I'm not sure how well you can see that. Now, the first time I was cutting threads with this, oh man, I would never take it. I would never release the fifth wheel. Wow, I'm rocky start. Cutting the wrong pitch at first. Here's my little mistakes. There's another one. So I had at least, well, this one looked pretty good, but it was the wrong pitch. But that's great, man. That is such a good fit. And I tell you, there is nothing there, no looseness at all. It's just perfect. No, we just need to transmit that to the steel piece. And it threads in a little differently this way. And I'm going to have to, yeah. It's just freaking perfect, man. That's great. Here's the original piece. There's more movement in this one than the original. There's not much, granted, but there's more. So, part of me wants to jump right in there and do it. The other part of me says, just slow down, man. Do I have enough length? I have enough length because this needs to be a little longer, and I got the length I need. It's going to give me 2 threads more than what I ended up with here. So all I got to do, theoretically, is put this in the machine and start cutting threads. What the hell, let's do it.